How to redeem and use your Nike gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can redeem and use your Nike's gift card. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have a Nike gift card and that you want to redeem it, it's very simple. First of all, just go to nike.com, which is the official website, and then make sure to sign into your account. As you can see, I'm already signed in. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can check that out respectively. Now once you go to the official website and sign into your account, you have to redeem our card while checking out the product. So first of all, you just want to make sure to add some products to your card, such as, let's say you want to buy a specific shoe over here, you just want to make sure to add this to your card. In my case, I've already actually added it, or else what you can do is just select the specific item over here and then make sure to select the size, and then what you want to do is just hit the add to bag option. When you add this to your bag, you have the option called checkout, right? So I'll also just go ahead and select the option called checkout in this case. Once I click on the option called checkout, it will take you to a page where you have to first of all select your delivery options, and then you have to select your shipping address, your shipping speed, and right over here under the payment tab, you want to click on where it says, do you have a gift card, product voucher, or promo code? So just make sure to check this box over here. When you check this box, it'll take you to a box where you can simply enter your voucher number, which could also be your gift card number, and then you can also actually make sure to enter the promo code. If you are already having trouble, please check the terms and conditions of the promotion and so on. So make sure to just go ahead and enter your voucher number or a promo code that you might have, and then all you need to do is just click on the apply button over here and then click on apply. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully redeemed to buy this specific product which you see right over here. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then redeem your Nike's gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.